What's going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness one how-to at a time. A couple of episodes ago, I talked about how to get a free $1,000 by signing up for the Chase Sapphire Preferred and going through the bonus criteria to get that card. And I want to share an update on that video because really for no other reason than to talk about I don't give advice that I don't do myself. So this is something that I am playing along with to get that $1,000 bonus. But I wanted to share quickly in this week's video that when I talked last time about the $95 annual fee, there is a way to avoid that for the first year. I found out thanks to some commenters on last week's channel, and I want to make sure that everybody gets a shot at this. If you sign up for the card inside a Chase branch, as compared to signing up for the card on the website, they will waive the first $95 annual fee on the card. So you still get the opportunity to spend $4,000 in the first 3 months to get that 100,000 points, which is equal to $1,000, or it's equal to probably a little more than that if you use it to redeem those points with a travel partner. And no longer do you have to get hit right away with a $95 annual fee as long as you go and sign up for the card in the branch. Wanted to share that with everybody. It's a quicker video this week, but I think it was worth sharing because that little change, driving to the branch to open the card, can save you $95. It's time well spent. I did this. It only took about 10 minutes inside the branch to get the application completed, and I was out and on my way. So hopefully this can be beneficial to you. If there's anybody in your world that you think can benefit from this, share it with them. Share the content, share the channel. If you've got an idea for future topics on the show, hit the comments down below and leave me an idea for that. Or if you've got any feedback for any of the other episodes or just general discussion, the comment section is growing each and every week, so leave something there. Let me know that you're watching, and I will engage with you when you do it. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of the How To Show, signing off.